Welcome to FOMO Consulting for your daily AMC stock analysis video on Monday, June 28th. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe we're about to have a bull run breakout. And as always, the apes are winning, the diamond hands are winning, most importantly, the retail investors winning. So if you find this video informative and entertaining, please like, share, certainly comment, and most importantly, subscribe. It's a newer channel and I'd appreciate the support. Let's get into the video. Thank you as always to each and every one of you who has liked, shared, commented, and subscribed. It means the world to me. Thank you very much. Start with a quote. The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time, by Abraham Lincoln. Yes, today was a fantastic day. Friday was a red day. We had to look at it all weekend long, right? But the belief, the trust, the conviction in AMC stock and all of the technical analysis, due diligence that each and every one of you are doing, including myself, certainly provides a new start each and every day. So let's look at the broader market. S&P closed up 9 points. Dow was down 150. NASDAQ up 140. And Russell was down 12. So overall, as you can see, mixed day. Some of the blue chip stocks, big tech, had very good days today. So overall, I found this article and I thought it was quite interesting. I know all the paid bots and shills and everything else on the social media platforms annoy you to no end. But this article was very interesting. A gentleman that worked for Amazon, according to this article, 63-year-old Army veteran, was stunned that he had been fired by a machine, a bot. Basically, his termination was linked to the fact that the algorithms tracking him had decided he wasn't doing his job properly. So I would certainly read this article. It's interesting to say the least. Tech stocks rally since S&P and NASDAQ to record highs. Overall, the last week or so has been quite good for the broader market. Nerve seems to have settled down just a bit, and Facebook rallies, vaults it past $1 trillion in market cap from a record pace today, mostly due to the antitrust lawsuit being dismissed. So overall, good news for Facebook, good news for the broader market. Let's look at crypto here. Overall, good day for crypto, and it certainly needed it, right? Needed some green. Bitcoin is up a pretty good little chunk today. Doge is up around 26 cents, at least at the time of this recording. Litecoin, Ethereum, all up. So good day overall for crypto. Well done, German apes. You get the day started. You had a great day, just like us. Closed at $48.50, up 6.85%. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you for all of your efforts and well done. So let's look at AMC, how we performed today. Overall, had a pretty normal day. Quick dump at the beginning, then it pumped up. That was a extremely exciting first 15 minutes or so of the day. Overall, had a very bullish day. I, for one, pretty well expected that. You could kind of call the second half of the day consolidation, not necessarily, but it's about as close as you're going to get without it technically being. So overall, not a bad day, but they certainly pulled out all the weapons yet again, shorting it, trying to suppress it and hold it back. So overall, we closed at $58.11, up $4.05, 7.49%. After hours, we are down just a hair, no big deal. They are certainly pinning it, as you all know. If you watch the pre-market this morning and the after hours, certainly you could see where they put up sell walls to keep this from running. And as always, we were the most active, in the top 10 most active, as a matter of fact, number 5 on Webull, and certainly the most popular. So overall, not a bad day for AMC. So yesterday I showed this, and I'll briefly go over it. Bullish hidden divergence, where the price's action is over a period of time flat or increasing, and the indicators, specifically the MACD and RSI, are trending downwards. So we did this yesterday. So as an example, before our big run-up, price action trending upwards, the MACD trending downwards, RSI trending downwards, and we had a substantial price rise. Yet again, more bearish. Price action followed the MACD and RSI. That is a bearish signal. So now here we are again. We had a pump. We have an upward trend in price action. The MACD is now trending down, and the RSI is trending down, and this is through this past Friday. As you can see, the yellow trend lines on the RSI, typically when we get down to that 30-40 level, at least on this 2-hour chart on the longer time frames, we bounce. And if you look again at the volumes have been down of recent. So you can see right before a huge price jump, we always have lower volumes. Then the volume picks up substantially each and every time. Today, the volume picked up versus where we had been the last couple of days. So let's take a look at where we are currently. So this was through Friday, where I have the green trend line. Obviously, MACD was trending in a downward direction due to all the heavy shorting. RSI was on a downtrend. So you have a hidden bullish divergence. We'll go figure we had a huge price jump, as expected. Going into tomorrow, and this is on the 15-minute chart, you have upward price action. You have a downward trending MACD. You have a downward trending RSI, hidden bullish divergence. I'm expecting to have a very bullish day yet again. So let's look at it from a bigger picture here. So overall, we all know the $60 level on the 1-hour chart is extremely important to cross over and hold. We are certainly on an uptrend. We all know we're in a wedge pattern, and the RSI and MACD are certainly in bullish territory. We're in a neutral position, ready to make a heavy bullish run. So let's look at this from the 2-hour chart perspective over a longer period of time. Again, price action is flat, if not going upwards. We have an RSI or MACD trending downwards. We have RSI trending downwards, which means we have a hidden bullish divergence. We know we have to break that $60 wall. We have been trending in this $50 to $60 channel for several weeks now, and I believe this week we will break out on the upside. Just my personal opinion. Everyone's seen this. We certainly are in a pennant formation. I believe we are quickly coming to pass, and if not tomorrow, certainly Wednesday or Thursday, we'll likely break out of this. My hope is obviously we break to the upside. And if you look again, this is the daily chart. You have a upward trending price action. You have downward trending MACD, downward trending RSI. I believe we will certainly break out, and I have gone ahead and fixed the chart for each and every one of you. And that's very bullish. So GME had a pretty solid day today, closing at $213.25, up $3.74 or 1.79%. Certainly medicine for everyone that needed to see some green. Held very strong. This stock is very strong and has a lot of support in and around that $200 level. Well done if you're in GME. I believe brighter days are ahead very soon. Big catalyst, F9 over the weekend, 3-day weekend, starting on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, $70 million. And that was a post-reopening record weekend with more than 2 million U.S. guests and the biggest U.S. movie opening at the box office since, I believe, Rise of Skywalker in 2019. The movies are not dead. So let's look at the Vortex data here. So overall, 18.99% short interest. We have 432 institutional owners. We had 433 on Friday. One long position sold out. 2.17 is the cost to borrow, incrementally going up. Shares on loan, 98 million. And utilization is at 86.76%, likely because there's more shares to loan. If you look down at the bottom, we had 98 million in total volume today with 1.7 million shares available according to Fintel with a borrow fee of about 1.4%. So overall, nothing fundamentally has changed. Actually, it's going up, trending in our direction. They are shorting this heavier each and every day we have information reported. So as you can see, the short interest trend lines are not lying. It is all going up. I expect to see an increase tomorrow when this updates, and the current average time that shorts have been in their position is still currently 31 days, gone down from about 50 some odd days at its peak. So overall, nothing again has changed. The short positions, they're doubling down and daring the price to rise. So let's look at the options. Overall options are currently where we are in the $58 level. 60 is a very big level. The $65 level is key, 70 is key, 75 is key, and 80 is key. That tends to be where we have the highest concentration. I believe personally we should, again, based on the indicators and how the chart is setting up, I believe 65 is back in play this week. 2.1 to 1 on the call to put ratio. As you can see, nearly $1 million volume, 7.6 million just in net premiums today, and a lot of big bets for calls and puts. A lot of hedging going on, but overall very bullish, and certainly looks good for us. And as you can see from this perspective, call volume 341,000 to 150,000 for the week ending this Friday, July 2nd. And call open interest currently is 176 for this week, 176,000 versus 159,000. So overall, again, very bullish for this week. Nothing too terribly fundamental has changed about this. Always fun to look at. Take it with a big grain of salt. So as always, I have skin in the game. Certainly today was a great day, but last week, obviously, we're just kind of making up ground. We're kind of back to even at this point, close enough to it. I believe we're going to challenge 60 tomorrow, and hopefully we can break it, hold it, and challenge 65. So let's close with a quote. The onus is on us through hard work and integrity to reach the stars, by Nelson Mandela. Certainly in your personal and professional lives, including myself, we work very hard to support ourselves, our families, our loved ones. And through that hard work and certainly integrity, we will reach the stars, because we certainly know our opponent has a different moral fiber, right? So at the end of the day, we will reach the stars through our hard work and integrity, and through certainly buying and holding AMC stock. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching. If you found the video informative and entertaining, please like, share, certainly comment, and most importantly, subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And again, I hope your life is full of green candles. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.